On number 3, same thing. You always try to divide by a greatest common factor. And in this case, I would divide by the smallest number again. Divide by 6. Well, 6 doesn't go into 19, and 6 doesn't go into negative 7. However, this is ax squared plus bx plus c. This is in this form, so either this is x method or super x. And the way you can tell between the two is if you have a number in front of here, right next to the x squared, then it's super x. So in this case, we have a super x problem. And what we do for the super x problem is we build our x by doing a times c in the top. So some people just forgot that. But you do 6 times negative 7, and that's negative 42. And then the middle number in the bottom, 19. And then you start guessing and seeing what works. Now in this one, I don't know right away. Like my first thought is, 42, 6 times 7. But 6 times 7 doesn't work because it doesn't add or subtract to 19. So what I immediately do when my first guess doesn't work is I start out with 1 and 42. If I add these, I get 43. If I subtract them, I get 41. So this doesn't work out. And then I do 2, and I divide this. So many people wrote, just because they're trying to do it in their head, so many people wrote 2 and 24. 2 times 24 is 48. If you divide, you would get 21. And then if I added those, I get 22. If I subtract them, I get 19. So that works. 2 and 21, except for one of them has to be negative. If I make the 21 negative, then that would be 2 plus negative 21. That would give me negative 19, but I want positive 19. So I make the 2 negative, and since this is a super x problem, I have to divide by 6x, not 6x squared. Some people also forgot that. And then I reduce. This one I can divide by 2. So divide by 2, and I get negative 1 over 3x, which translates to 3x minus 1. And then this one, I could divide by 3. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I have 2x, which translates to 2x plus 7. And then I don't have to bring down anything. I didn't factor anything out to begin with. So that's my answer. 2x plus 7. It's not a 1, it's 2.